Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add new inventory in QuickBooks Online. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account, and then in the main dashboard, you can go to all apps here in the left side of your screen, and then you can go to inventory here, and then you can click the inventory. And then you will see all of your products and services. As you can see, I don't have any stock here, and this is my products list. So in order to add new inventory, you can just click this one, add inventory, add product or service. And then as you can see, there are four types. So there is inventory, non-inventory, service, and bundle. So I'm gonna choose inventory. So inventory is products you buy and or sell and that you track quantities of. So you can click on it. Then you can name it maybe tables. And then you can add your SKU. You can add the image of the products and you can add the category, maybe table. So there is no table yet. I'm gonna add table and click save. Then you can add the initial quantity on hand, let's say 10, and the date, it's up to you, and then the reorder point if you have it, and then inventory asset account, you can choose. I'm going to choose inventory asset, and the description if you want to add it, and the sales price. So let's say 19, and you can choose the income account, and then the sales tax if you have it, and the purchasing information, the cost if you want to add it, and then you can just choose the vendor and click save and close, and it's done. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.